News now from Jalgaon in Maharashtra, where a minor was raped and murdered. Post that incident, angry mob they targeted police station. This mob attacked a police station, and 6 policemen were injured in this particular incident. Now, disturbing videos showed one cop with a blood-stained uniform and a bloody handkerchief wrapped around his head in Maharashtra's Jalgaon. This especially after a mob bent on extracting vigilante justice laid siege to a police station late on Thursday night. Now, the protests followed the rape and murder of a minor girl last week. The cops, in fact, had arrested the accused and brought him to the Jamner police station, after which a restive crowd they gathered and they began demanding the accused to be handed over to them.
सर काय सांगाल जामनेरमध्ये मोठ्या प्रमाणावर दगडफेक झाली, जाळपोळ करण्यात आली, नक्की काय कारण होतं, काय घटना आहे, किती आरोपींना अटक केलेली आहे, कर्मचारी किती जखमी आहेत?
काही दिवसापूर्वी जामनेर पोलीस स्टेशनला एक घटना दाखल होती. त्या घटनेतील आरोपी आपल्या पोलिसांनी आज त्याला ताब्यात घेतलेलं होतं. त्या कारणावरून बेकायदेशीर जमाव पोलीस स्टेशन समोर जमलेला होता. तर त्यांना पोलिसांनी भरपूर समजावले की जे कायदेशीर कारवाई आहे ती होणार आहे, तुम्ही कायदा हातात घ्यायचे काय कारण नाही. परंतु त्यांनी काही न ऐकता पोलिसांवर दगडफेक केलेली आहे, पोलीस स्टेशनवर दगडफेक केलेली आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये 7 ते 8 पोलीस अंमलदार आपले जखमी झालेले आहेत. पोलीस स्टेशनचे जे अधिकारी आहेत ते जखमी झालेले आहेत. तात्काळ माननीय पोलीस अधीक्षक, अपर पोलीस अधीक्षक चाळीसगाव आणि इतर अधिकारी तात्काळ पोहोचून त्यांनी परिस्थिती नियंत्रणात आणलेली आहे आणि आता तिथं परिस्थिती शांततापूर्ण आहे. सर्व जे आरोपी आहेत संपूर्ण त्यांचे व्हिज्युअल पूर्ण डिटेल्स आमच्याकडे आहेत. त्याच्यातले कुणालाही आम्ही सोडणार नाही, प्रत्येक जण अरेस्ट होईल त्याच्यामधला.
Definitely people have lost trust not only in law and order regarding deputy CM also, which is handling the home department, because the way he handled the Vasai case or the Pune case, the posh car case, there was a lot of interference of a political people, and even in this case the accused got the security and everything, and so people definitely feel that they lost their trust in law and order. But I'll definitely give them assurance that we will fight for them. You need to be a little bit calm, because we need not take the law in our hand, because that is not right also. But definitely government need to work on this. People don't have good feeling for them, and they don't trust government right now. That is the truth.
That's right. Things are less volatile. Things are peaceful at the moment. Of course, this incident happening last night. All this after a horrific incident where a minor child was allegedly kidnapped, raped and murdered by a man. He was arrested by the police. However, a large mob gathered outside the police station, wanting the police to hand over the custody of this criminal to them. When the police refused, of course, the agitated mob started vandalizing the police station, pelted stones, torched vehicles there. So things did go out of control for some time last night. In fact, many police officials also injured in this incident. At least about 6 to 7 police officials are hospitalized at the moment. Their condition, of course, is out of danger. Police had to resort to minor lathi charge, as well as the mob took law and order into their hands. At this point, CCTV footage is being scanned. All those who resorted to violence have been detained, and many more will be detained in the hours to come. So at this point, things are normal. Of course, this has also led to war of words between the government and the opposition. Opposition condemning the act and also pointing fingers at the government for this deteriorating law and order situation in Jalgaon. But at this point, things are peaceful. All those who resorted to violence have been arrested, and of course the accused who allegedly raped and murdered the child has also been arrested and is in police custody.